Alright, it's a new day and we are preparing to go to New York for basically 24 hours. We're preparing to go. No, this is not no tutorial on how to cook soup or nothing, because honestly it's like my first time cooking soup. Maybe my assist but by myself, so yeah. The last one, now I know my dumpling them are perfect, but I never tell us I'm a chef. I tell us I'm a trying young lady. Tell me something. Talk to me nice for soup. It tastes like soup. It's giving me that Jamaican feeling. Good morning. As you can see, we are not in New York. It is now 4:28 a.m. So it is. All right, it's a new day and we are preparing to go to New York for basically 24 hours. We're preparing to go to New York with the kids. My hair done because I did it for my birthday and I have to get some things done. But today is a bit of a busy day because I have to go to my nursing. I have to go to my dentist appointment because I have all these dentist appointments that I have to go to. I have to go to that. That's probably going to last like 15-20 minutes depending. Then I'm gonna charge for sitting in another waiting room for 15-20 minutes. Either way, I'm gonna go take care of that. Then when I leave, I have to come back home, and then my toxic trait is I have to clean the house before I leave. Like my bathroom won't clean, so I have to clean my bathroom before I leave so that when I come back, it is I'll come back in another few hours. It is clean. I'm gonna have to worry about that. So the bathroom I have to clean. That's a number one priority. Number one priority is the bathroom I have to clean. The kids' bathroom they're really clean that much, but the number one priority, the bathroom has to be clean. Vacuum up the floor. It's gonna clean up the floor because as I know, like we'll change out some furniture. So some of the room don't really have as much furniture in there. So I'm gonna kind of make it have like a clean, spaceship type of look. And then I'll start to pack. I have a list here of things I need to do. Made it to the dental office on time. I'm pretty early, just like the last time, because I know already I really do the highway driving, so that means I have to come early. So maybe go in there and see what they're talking about, so I can get back in this car and head home. Cause I'm hungry. We can head home and then start doing some stuff, because I have to edit this video. Is it this video? Yeah, I have to edit this video tonight or tomorrow, because remember I do daily, so I have a video for today, tomorrow. I think I have a video for Saturday. I had a video for Saturday. Yeah, I have to edit that video, have it up by that day. 2 video. Oh, I have a next video too, so I have enough video for the weekend because I miss no day, no sleep. So I have to edit that video in this video that I'm recording in time. Yeah, alright, so I'll tell you how it goes.
Doing any of that first.
Alright, so I'm also at the dentist's office. Just confirm that we already know what the other dentist them confirm. Same old. Like I went in and he did like a cold test on the teeth, and I kind of feel like I feel it. Like when I said that cold test put a shock wave through my teeth. So what happened was when I did my root canal in Jamaica, first of all, the Jamaica root canal was good. Only the process to it, I'm kind of afraid of the dentist. Never did send me that afraid of the dentist, but I'm just afraid of the juking and the stuff. Only that did kind of a bit rough for me. But when we did the root canal in Jamaica, them take care of it. My face did stop swelling and it go down. But just never getting a crown. And the lady did tell me there to come get the crown, but I never have no money to get the crown right away. So I was like, alright, I have to go wait for the crown, or I'm gonna come back up and get the crown. Cool. Never got the crown, kept putting stuff because I'm like, I don't want to go back to the dentist. I can't keep going, not going back to the dentist, And then what he confirmed for me in there is that the pain on me feel that's running from here all the way up to my ears are because of the teeth. Him said that's what happened. You have that infection. He said it's not infected, but the cavity that were in there I run from from my ears come right down to right, so that's why I feel it. Alright, so it's time for me to them I go school tomorrow, so I don't want them I go school tomorrow, so I can't do like much cleaning. And I can clean, but yeah, I go vacuum and them something and pick up what I need to pick up so far. Good morning. As you can see, we are not in New York. It is now, what time? I'm not sure another time. It is now 4:28 a.m. so it is pretty early. And as you can see, we are not in New York. I am going to make soup, for family sick out. Lean sick, so we couldn't drive to New York. So I'm going to make some soup because today is ballet day and everything. I'm going to get started away from before, and I might go swim depending on how I feel. So it's my first time actually I make soup, so fingers crossed it actually tastes good. So let's get that out of the way. I thought I had my chicken enough, so pumpkin I use. I might use it to them, but I just might add into it now. Time for me to make some dumpling. I don't like making dumpling, like it's just all of my hand, but I like what feel on my hand. But you know, due to calls, and I feel like if I make it good, if I make it and it good today, I have to make it more often for the kids them. Yeah, and the kids them love dumpling too, but I usually them father make dumplings, so I'm like, I don't have to make dumpling. Anywho, let me begin. I had to turn the camera off and get them dumpling right before me even record nothing. So them kind of go on with themselves. No, them are do what them for do. And yes, I ended up putting on gloves because I don't know, something about the texture of dough, I don't really like it from my hand. The last one, now I know my dumpling them they're perfect, but I never tell us I'm a chef. I tell us I am a trying young lady learning how to do this the best way possible. So my dumpling kind of go on myself. This is like the second set of dumpling to make. Well, today the dough. time to put in my dumplings. I'm gonna tell you something. Yeah. The dumpling is dumpling. No, this is not no tutorial on how to cook soup or nothing, because honestly it's like my first time cooking soup. Maybe my assist but by myself, so yeah, may I learn as well. I'm pretty sure the next time I make it I'll make it differently, but yeah. Alright, so now it's time for me to should I take this off now? I probably can. Alright, so now it's time for me to clean up. If I get my hair wet. I'm telling you something. Talk to me nice. So I get add a little bit of black pepper and that's it. But I just taste it all. I'm add black pepper and then I talk to you. Alright, back to Uno. I'm telling you something. Food, cook. It cook. I want myself. I am proud of myself. I cooked soup, Jamaican soup. I go out with myself. I can't tell me no. Alright, so I get a spoon for taste this. Alright, so here is my test taster spoon. I'm gonna go ahead. Moment of truth. It's not as thick though. I guess it's very soupy. It's not really thick like what I think it would have thick. Tell me something. Talk to me nice. The soup, I taste like soup. It's giving me that Jamaican feeling. The only thing I'll say, I don't cook with a lot of salt, so I probably would do a little more salt. So I'm gonna say that a little bit fresh, but also I really like a lot of salt. So it's a go on. It can eat. It can eat. It can eat. I make it cook down a little bit more. But probably add a little more all-purpose to it. And then yeah, that's that. Soup cook. Alright, so make sure you don't know. I just realized I have like no soup bowls, but and I like say I eat whole right now because I'm not feel good. So I'm gonna do one small bowl and then see if you want a bigger, save it more and more after that. That's how you can even drink it. But I make the juice for you and stuff. So I decided to give it's like 7:30 a.m. and I just decided to just give the kids it for breakfast. I gave them soup for breakfast with dumpling and everything. They belly got full. And guess what? My daughter was like, Autumn was like, yeah, mommy, the soup you make taste good. Let me tell you something, for them for say so, that is a plus, because my kids them, especially Autumn, she quick to tell me what tastes bad, but she not like, and all of that stuff. So that means say I'm going with myself. That's what that means. So I'm gonna clean up now, and yeah, I like to go to the garbage and then something like that, and then get ready for leave because I forgot about it. Alright.